I want to talk a little bit about the Canada mortgage bonds. I understand that the government of Canada is now purchasing, I believe it's up to $40 billion a year.
It's up to a maximum of $30 billion.
Up to a max of $30 billion. Okay, thanks for the correction. Do you see any impact on the money supply by the government of Canada's bond purchase program?
I don't know that if I could isolate that specific program, but Mr. Chambers asked us to give some additional data on what's affecting the money supply, and we'll be happy to do that.
Okay. And so the government of Canada will now own that mortgage debt under the bond purchase program. The Bank of Canada used to buy those bonds for a period of time. My understanding is the Bank of Canada ended that program, but you do act as the financial agent for the government of Canada to purchase these bonds. So the government of Canada will now own mortgage debt as a holding?
My understanding?
Yes, what we're doing exactly is we're basically borrowing money in order to buy finance those Canada mortgage bonds. So basically we own some of that debt, yeah.
So the government of Canada borrows money to buy mortgages from banks who have lent money to Canadians? Is that?
Thank you for your question. Basically, the way it works, CMHC basically borrow money in order to buy NHMBS. So those are pool of mortgages that are put together. And when you look at the market, the way it works, CMHC, when they were issuing and they're still issuing, there's a spread relative to the government of Canada debt. So when you look at the debt that the product they're issuing, they're fully backed by the government of Canada. So they should be issuing around the same rate, right? They're a AAA product. And because of that spread, the government decided to issue its own debt in order to finance the CMBs. So the debt that we are issuing, it's debt that basically CMHC doesn't have to issue on the market.
It's guaranteed by the government itself, right? So the government is both the backer of the debt and now the holder of the debt?
That debt was already guaranteed prior to issuing debt in order to buy CMBs.
Thank you very much, Mr. Scheer.